John Wekesa here, the All Seasons Lawyer, with another legal tip. And today I want us to talk about something again which I find to be very crucial and which affects a lot of people. That is the issue of the rights of tenants that reside in rental houses. And here we go. Did you know that here in Kenya, as a tenant, you are actually entitled to certain fundamental rights? Those rights include the following. Number one is the right to a proper tenancy agreement that is written. You are supposed to be given that particular agreement, of course, by your landlord, and that agreement should set out all the terms of engagement that will be governing that particular tenancy. This is also the document that you should guard very well, because it is what will protect you from any forms of unfair evictions. Number two is the right to a proper notice when it comes to rent increase. As a tenant, you are entitled to receiving a proper notice of at least 30 days if the landlord of that very house decides that they want to increase the rent that you have been paying. The 30 days are for, of course, enabling you to make arrangements on whether you are going to comply with the increase or to move out of that house to some other place. Number three is protection against any forms of unfair eviction. As a tenant, you are protected from any form of unfair evictions, and if the landlord has decided that they want to evict you, then they must give you a proper written notice, and that notice should detail the reasons why they want you out of their house. Number four is the right to a habitable home. That house that you are living in is supposed to be habitable, and the person that is responsible for doing that is, of course, the landlord. So issues such as leaking roofs or plumbing problems are supposed to be taken care of by the landlord to make sure that that house is habitable. And lastly, but not least, is the right to refund of your deposit. This is actually what brings a lot of problems in many tenancies. And as a tenant, you are entitled to getting back your deposit when you decide to vacate that house. But of course, you're supposed to serve a notice of at least 30 days, and that is when you should claim your deposit. The landlord is supposed to, of course, deduct some amount from your deposit